Hi dear, today we are going to make some different thing. So let's go. Come on your phone, home screen, install Fun Print app. Open the app. Now we are going to print an anime character. I am so excited. I select here Dazai Osamu. He is my favorite character. Most of my subscribers' favorite character is he. Now I am taking a mini printer. You can buy this from any online platform or stationery shop. Connect your printer and print your photo. Mini printer is best for study. Connect by Bluetooth. It will take some time to connect. It's only print black and white photo. Print done. Now we have to make this photo waterproof. What we need now to make this waterproof. Take a clear tape. Cover the photo full of clear tape carefully. Now take a hard paper. You can use any types of paper here. Stuck it with any glue. Now take a scissors and cut it carefully. I cut two pieces of hard paper like this. Now stuck those with hot glue carefully. Final result.